Is there any mentioning of dinosaurs in the Qur'an or in the Sunnah? The answer is no. There's no mentioning to such an issue because it is of no great importance to the Muslims. So this can be a fact that they were there, and this can be a hoax. Either way, it doesn't make a big difference to us as Muslims. So Islam, Qur'an and Sunnah, is not necessarily going to tell you every single thing about the beginning of time, about history, about geology, about archaeology or whatever. No, this is not Qur'an and Sunnah. Allah tells us all what we need to know about living on earth, about where we are going after death, where we came from, what is the purpose and objective of our creation, what are we supposed to do. Islam governs everything that deals with our lives. Things at the past, whether they were flying dinosaurs or they looked like this or that, this is of no great importance, and this is why Islam doesn't tell us, does not confirm it, and it does not deny it. Likewise, is there any life on other planets? Does the Qur'an say anything? No, it doesn't confirm and it doesn't deny, because of its no great importance to us. So if there are different worlds out there, good for them. It doesn't have to do anything with us. Focus on what is important. If you're running a marathon, you do not look right and left enjoying the scenery or watching a car racing another in a drag race or reading the advertisements. You focus on your race, and this is what you should do in life, and Allah knows best.